Hi, my name is Rob. Today's recipe features an uncommon dessert ingredient, cottage cheese. You might not have known it, but cottage cheese is a great source of protein, and when pureed and flavored, it is as smooth and delicious as mascarpone. We'll also explore different ways of enhancing flavor without adding sugar. We're going to try different spices, different textures, and different smells as well. Although it is an easy recipe to make, it has plenty of delicious surprises. Not only does it include cottage cheese, but it is also inspired by recipes that originated in India, mango lassi and burfi. So let's get started.
Today we are making mango lassi cottage cheese pudding. This recipe makes 2 servings. You will need cottage cheese, vanilla extract, 1 very ripe medium mango, fresh ginger, ground turmeric, ground cardamom, and optional toppings including pistachios, fresh mint, and dried rosebuds. First, add the cottage cheese to a medium-sized bowl. You don't need sugars or artificial sweeteners to add flavor. Try using aromatics first. Some options include cinnamon, cloves, orange, lemon, and lime rind, shaved cocoa and coconut, ground ginger, almond, rum, and vanilla extract, rose water, and fresh herbs like lavender or mint. For this recipe, we are using ground cardamom, turmeric, and vanilla. Cardamom is a member of the ginger family. What we find in our local grocery stores are the dried fruit from the plant. It is mostly cultivated in India, Sri Lanka, and Guatemala. Cardamom is extremely aromatic and has a unique taste and smell. Turmeric is also a member of the ginger family and grows very similar to cardamom. It is native to southern India and Indonesia and has a very strong perfumey smell, a slightly peppery flavor, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. But be careful about getting it on your clothes. It will stain. Vanilla bean comes from a particular type of orchid. Pure vanilla and artificial vanilla both have a compound called vanillin that is being researched for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antiviral properties among many other health benefits. Now put the bowl aside and let's get started with the mangoes. If you are curious about portions, 1 cup of mango has approximately 26 grams of available carbohydrate. That is equal to a little under 2 tablespoons of sugar. It also includes close to 3 grams of fiber to support gut health, potassium, which is necessary for all cells to function, vitamin C for the immune system, folate for healthy cell formation, growth, and function, and beta-carotene, retinol, lutein, and zeaxanthin to support eye health. Add the mango to the bowl and get started on preparing the ginger. Similar to vanilla, ginger has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been used for hundreds of years by many different cultures. Remove the skin and mince before adding to the bowl. Now it's time to combine. Use a blender, food processor, or immersion blender to puree the mixture. Be sure to blend until smooth. After, you may even press it through a sieve to get that extra silky and smooth texture. Moving on, let's prepare the toppings. Start by chopping the roasted pistachios. Then thinly slice some fresh mint. Now you can assemble the dessert. Using a spoon or piping bag, evenly distribute the pudding between glasses. Here we will show you how to prepare 1 glass. Then add your toppings. In addition to the pistachios and fresh mint, you can also add dried rose petals. They are found in most South Asian grocery stores. And there you have it, a delectable mango lassi cottage cheese pudding. Enjoy!